should you pass your prop accounts in one day? Trading is different for everyone. Every person trades with a different strategy and different approach. You should ask yourself which path you want to take. Do you want to be a prop firm trader slash gambler, or do you want to be a real trader? What are those habits that you want to acquire? Because if you want to be specifically a prop firm gamer, yes, I said it deliberately, you have to go with the gaming strategy and not with the trading strategy. There is a big difference. You have to aim for YOLOing the accounts, and when you pass some of them, you still have to fight consistency rules at some prop firms, and if the odds are with you, you will have to, well, you will have some payouts every now and then. How is it possible? It's simple. You risk all your available drawdown or margin and go all in. So it should be around 4 or 5% per trade. And if you lose, you accept the fact that you lose the whole account. And so you can start buying new ones. Don't get me wrong. There is no problem with that. Some trader influencers out there doing it very successfully. And they are making loads of money. Just like I said, you have to choose your path. The problem with this model is that what would happen if these kinds of prop firm gamers were forced to trade on their own personal accounts? They would never go in with full risk like this. Their mind would be so affected by these gaming habits by then that I think it would be rather difficult for them to maintain a consistent track record. Now let me state here that these are very successful prop gamers who could still manage on their own, but let's face reality again, the majority would bleed out. It's because the trading habits are very much different from those of a prop gamer and the real trader. The majority of those traders who YOLO all accounts to being funded are absolutely fine with losing these funded accounts after the first payout. Again, I'm not saying this is not a method to make money, but it will not make you a better trader. I did the same too. I was talking about it earlier in videos and on the streams. I showed my TopStep combine accounts that I have YOLO'd in 2 days. So yeah, it worked out. But this brings me to all the confusion and chaos that surrounds the prop firm industry nowadays. And this confusion should be pushing every new and even advanced trader to take trading more seriously and maybe build skills to be able to hold your account for a long time and do your best when it comes to discipline and risk management. I always see prop firms as a vehicle to channel out money to fund your own trading account. It doesn't have to be a 50k real money account. You can start small with 1k or 2k and trade small size. You can gain so much if you don't want to follow the prop gaming route and build up a long-term track record. If for some reason prop firms are about to be out of the picture in your country or maybe everywhere, when you look back at your track record, you will just simply say, hey, who cares about it? I can continue to trade on my own, even with small money, right? You will look back at your trading and you will feel strength and confidence, while others tremble with confusion and fear because they are not sure of their own abilities. But you will stand out strong with rock solid conviction that you will make it anywhere as long as there are tradable markets. That's the truth. I got the question many times this year, why are you trading micros? It's going to take you a month until you take a payout. Yes, that might be true, but my goal is not just to make money, but to prove myself, and many of you who are still struggling with what route to take, then that discipline and proper risk management, you can achieve it. You will never have to be scared from trading, and you can actually rely on these skills as a residual income. I've been there, YOLO'd my accounts to get funded, but deep in my stomach, I still felt confusion and fear that I was going to lose the funded account because I had no long-term track record and I had no specific set of rules for trading my edge. Yeah, I know much stuff about smart money concept and other strategies as well, But that's all useless if you can't manage risk and stay disciplined. I see many traders on social media who are showing off their losses on their funded accounts or multiple funded accounts, and that's noticeable and respectable because many of the fake traders are just showing their winners, but rarely anyone talks about all the struggles it takes to get there. I was blowing up funded accounts last year and showed it on live streams and videos. As far as I could study these traders who admitted their losses, I share some common mistakes with them. For example, overtrading, revenge trading, not being patient, and not sticking to the rules. It's all the same for everyone. They show you that they passed an eval or challenge account in 1 day or two, but how long can they keep it? This is the most important question. Again, how long can they keep it? So yes, I decided I wanted to take a different route. I don't want to spend unnecessary money to buy more and more evals until I build a track record. Trading small size and also building up profits, that is my goal. I have a trade plan for the year and I will buy more accounts from the profits I earned and of course raise capital with it. For me, I see no point now in managing dozens of accounts at once, but hopefully by the end of the year it can happen. We are all humans after all, and we make mistakes, so if my emotions overcome me and lose the accounts, I will learn from it and I will buy new ones, of course, but I will keep moving forward with the plan for the year. So don't be a gambler, trade with discipline. And also you can check out my exact entry model at pip.ninja, which helped me to get funded and pull out money from prop firms. So this is all for now. I wanted to share my thoughts. Please comment on the video, subscribe, like the video. I like to hear from you guys. Thank you so much for watching and see you on the live streams.